Hello again. How is it going? It has been a while. I'm sorry, I know. It's been at least a couple weeks since I've uploaded a video. But I wanted to wait a little bit. First of all, the weather has been awful. But today is our first nice day in a while, and I wanted to wait to make a video because I got this thing in. And you see, it's the Insta 361X. And I figured it'll be fun to make some skateboard videos with that. So I figured, nice day. That just came in. Let's go test out the new camera. First, I did want to say that when you're riding, you gotta be careful because look at that. that is so only long sleeves and pants when you're riding from now on, because I crashed it going like 20 miles an hour and that hurt. At least I was wearing my helmet, but this isn't fun. Could have been worse though, I guess. All right, let's get out. Also, I forgot to mention, look at how annoying this is here. The little cover thing, it broke off, like just regularly riding. It would like pop out while I was regularly riding, which is a little concerning because that's like the battery door and stuff, but then it came off. I have this little piece of tape here, but I just wish it didn't fall off. Okay, let's go ride now. Okay, I don't usually drive with my left hand, but let's see how this looks. I do have to say I like the fact that I don't have to worry about what I'm filming, because everything's getting filmed. That's why it's a 360 cam. That is nice. Okay. Like, this is very clearly meant for right-handed people, but I want to hold the camera in my right so I can swing it behind me. And you get like the sickest drone follow me shot ever. What's up? Oh, I never buckled my helmet. That's a problem. We should stop and do that. Oh, you gotta buckle your helmet. Okay, let's go. We can do these like sick low follow shots too. Yeah. What do you think? How's it look? If we do like a little... Now I usually ride with some music. I'll have one of my earbuds in, but since this is the first time I'm doing this with the Insta 361X. I figure maybe no music, just to figure out how this goes. Like, this is pretty sad. The playground all tied up. Whoa! I'm not gonna make that turn. Down this way. So I live right next to an airport, so I can't really fly my drone here. But you know, when I want to go out for a nice casual ride, this'll work for some cool like follow shots. also have this other, you see this? Yeah, I have this other like extension selfie stick. I'll put on the end of the Insta 360 selfie stick. We'll see how far a shot we can get. I think there's one more segment still here. Maybe that's it. There you go, that's so far away. How weird does this look? Does that look cool? I hope it looks cool. What do you think? Does it look cool? I hope so. Oh, that's a lot of wind. Okay, nice. I think that was pretty cool. You guys already know how it looks, but I don't yet. It is really comforting to know that everything was captured though. Versus like having to worry about aiming stuff with a camera, or even like an action camera. Oh God, you're gonna miss a ton of stuff. At least this, you just frame it afterwards when you're sitting down and can pay attention to it. This just kind of lets you ride, which is great. Okay. We made it back. Hopefully that was entertaining for you guys. Let me know if you want to see more stuff like this. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.